Hi, in one of my previous videos where I talked about Facebook Pixel, I've noticed that there is some issues with the new layout, the new Events Manager layout, and I've asked some of you for advice. I think some of you have this problem as well, especially when you got Event Manager, there's the new layout where we are able to create pixel from there compared to the old layout. And another update for this is that now you can't even switch back to the old layout, and this makes it very difficult to make Facebook Pixel for the ad account unless you'll be running it for a while now. So running new ad account, you need a different way to create pixel. And today I'm going to share with you, I found a way, actually two ways. I'm going to explore two of the ways and to see which one that you like, then which one that's comfortable for you, and which one that you can use for your own business. It really depending on the use case of it. But yeah, let me just go through these two cases. Finally, we get to able to create it somehow. And yeah, let's go into my computer and I'll show you how to do it. So just a brief recap on where to get pixel. So what you do is usually you go to these three lines and then you click on these 9 dotted lines and you click on Events Manager. So usually a pixel data was supposed to appear here, right? But as you can see, you can refer to my previous video, you can see that I did not create this because you cannot find anywhere to create. Even when you do connect data sources, it still won't be able to connect, even though I'm admin for this ad manager and business manager. So there's one way to do it. Once you directly go from business manager, so the first method is using business manager. So you go business manager, you go to business settings, right? So like down here, you can just click directly this gear icon, and then you open the business settings. Then you can see the ad account, the same one, Medicare one, and then you go to data source, you click pixel. I've created this earlier on, so all you have to do is just click add. You just click add and then you just create pixel accordingly. Then you have a pixel created here already. You created in Business Manager. Then after that, all you have to do is just have to assign add asset, and then you add the ad account. Then you add that account, done. Then you just have to refresh. Then you go connected assets, you see it's connected, right? You go to here, it's empty, right? You just refresh. There, and you see it appearing here, Medicare pixel. So all you have to do is just continue pixel setup, then you just follow step by step, manually add code up to you, or use partner integration. They integrate with WordPress, Shopify, etc. So you can install code manually. That's what we usually do, and I usually install it in ClickFunnels, so I install the code manually. So yeah, this is one way, which is using Business Manager. And then you have this, but I'm not sure how the linking will be like, because now it looks like the pixel is linked to this business manager. What happens if you want to transfer the ads manager to another account? Or what happens if, for example, you are a partner, right? You are running an ads using ad account of another business manager, and then you create a pixel in your business manager and then you link to that person. So it's complicated. I'm not sure how it linked, because it's not linked directly. I don't think it's linked to ad account. I think it's linked to business manager. But this can do as well. If you're stuck and if it's your own business, right? Business manager is yours, ad account is yours. This is the way you can do it, which is straightforward and simple. So now I'm going to tell you the second way. So next you can do is you go to create an ad in that in that ad account. Just click on these 9 dots and then click on Ads Manager. Then you open here, right? For this ad account, all you have to do is just create a new ad. You just click create. So this second method, Ad Manager, right? Go to conversion. We're not creating an ad, so just to get the process done, just click continue. There, and you see here, right? Because usually conversion, you need to select the pixel, what's the pixel event. But now you cannot select, so they have this option to create a pixel. So here you can create a pixel. So just create a pixel. Then you see it's created, just continue. Set up pixel now. Manually add. And boom, it's there. It's as simple as that, right? So we are not doing anything, so just goes back and cancel. You just close the whole thing, right? Close without saving. It's just as if, I mean, we are not running ads, we just want to create a pixel, so you can just leave it. Back to the event manager, right? This is the event manager, you see there's no pixel, right? You just have to refresh. And now once you refresh, you can see it's here, the pixel is here. So all you have to do is just continue to pixel setup. Then you install code manually, same thing as what you saw just now, just copy code and put it there. copy code. This is the whole code. It looks a bit different, the layout, but just copy code and then put in whatever website it is. And that is all for the Facebook pixel. So there's these two ways, whether you use Business Manager directly and then you link the Business Manager pixel into the ad account. So for when you do this, you link to the Business Manager, or you can directly create it using that Facebook campaign as well. When you run ads, you just can create a dummy ad, right? Or you don't create ad at all, you can just cancel it at the end. Then you choose conversion. Because conversion, you need to install pixel, and from there there's a way for you to click on the pixel. So that is how you install. So two methods, Business Manager or directly from the Ads Manager itself. I hope this is useful for you. Hopefully Facebook really addressed this. Hopefully they got another better way to do it, but currently this is the two ways that I know, I'm aware of. I use a lot using Ads Manager, as I'm shown on the previous video in the desktop, because I was doing it for a client and I found this way, and that's why I decided to share this to everyone. And I hope you like what I shared. Share to people that you think need to know about this. Hope that this is helpful. And yeah, and if you like this video, do subscribe to this channel. This channel talks a lot about digital marketing, public speaking, and entrepreneurship. So I covered mostly on these three topics on how to build business using digital marketing. So yeah, do subscribe, and looking forward to see you in my next video. Goodbye.